अस्सलाम वालेकुम प्यारे बच्चों। आज जो सबक हम 8th इंग्लिश से पढ़ रहे हैं वो है एक पोएम और इसका टाइटल है मर्सी। तो इसकी समरी आज हम लिखते हैं। तो प्यारे बच्चों आप गौर से सुनिए। पहले हम इसकी समरी लिखते हैं, समरी पढ़ते हैं। तो इसके बाद जो इसमें सवाल दिए गए हैं, क्वेश्चन दिए गए हैं, इनके जवाब भी हम लिखते हैं, कलम बंद करते हैं और जो इसके जवाब हैं उसको भी बाद में लिखते हैं। तो आप तवज्जो से सुनिए। इसकी जो समरी है पोएम मर्सी की, तो मैं ये पोएम मर्सी की समरी बयान करता हूँ, तो आप गौर से सुनिए। This poem Mercy is an extract taken from the Shakespeare's famous play The Merchant of Venice. In this extract, the poet William Shakespeare discusses mercy. He says that it is not something which can be touched or tasted like concrete things, but it just happens. The poet says that it happens in the same way as the way gentle raindrops fall on the ground. The mercy has double blessing. It blesses the one who gives it and also the one who receives it. It is the strongest in the strongest people. According to the poet Shakespeare, mercy is enthroned in the hearts of kings, a quality of God itself. Poet says God is merciful and he treats his subject, means human beings, always with mercy. This mercy is a quality of God himself. The poet further adds that kingly power seems to be like God's power when the king mixes mercy with justice. Pyare bachcho, this was something about the summary of the poem Mercy. Now we will discuss the questions and I shall answer the questions of this poem. I hope you will be attentive. तो जो पहला क्वेश्चन है वो है वाई डज द क्वालिटी ऑफ मर्सी कम फ्राम हु आर ब्लेस्ड बाय इट। तो आंसर है इस क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का, द क्वालिटी ऑफ मर्सी कम्स फ्राम द पीपल इनसाइड एंड इट इज शोन इन डीड्स। बोथ द पीपल आर ब्लेस्ड इन मर्सी, thus the one who gives it and the other who receives it. Now question number 2 is, how is mercy better than the crown of the king? Answer है क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का, mercy is better than the crown of the king because crown represents the earthly powers while mercy is related to the heavenly or quality which is related to God. Now question number 3 is, what does script stands for? What does script stands for? How does it affect the kings? Scripture stands for the royal authority. Answer है क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 का, Scripture stands for the royal authority which is an earthly or temporary power which is subject to decay. It sometimes makes them dreadful or proud. Now question number 4, when does earthly power look like God's power? Answer to question number 4 is, when the scepter or earthly power is mixed with mercy, it looks like godly. How is mercy alone the scepter away? Answer to question number 5 is, mercy alone the scepter away because it lies in the hearts of kings, which is a quality of God itself. Now question number 6 is, what happens when mercy seasons justice? Answer to question number 6 is, when mercy seasons justice, earthly powers seem like godly. In other words, when earthly authority is mixed with mercy, it seems to be the decree of God. I feel that it is enough for today.